Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. My voice is almost back to 100%, but not quite. Ladies and gentlemen, am I loud? Am I clear? Let me know in chat right now. We're about to be live in 9 minutes and 35 seconds, breaking it all down. The gold and silver news. Are we going up? Are we going down? Is there a peace deal or is there escalation? We're going to find out here. Please smash the like button and share the stream. Go retweet it on X. I appreciate y'all. We're going to be live here in 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Grab a beverage, sit back, and relax. Enjoy the party. Nice. Kyle's International Stacker flag is en route, joining the Crustacean Nation. New post by Trump. Red alert. New post. I'm going to tweet it out now. I'm going to tweet it out right now. Whoa! Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 7 minutes and 50 seconds, breaking it all down, the gold and silver news. Please smash the like button if you're excited. Buckle up, get ready. I'm working on a tweet. President Trump just tweeted out right now. Supposedly a peace deal is being signed. Oh my goodness! I'm putting out the tweet right now. It just happened less than a minute ago. I'm going to be one of the first tweets out there. I'm getting it. Hold up. Okay. Please smash the like button. Share the stream.
From Tokyo nights to Rio sun, from Arctic ice to island drums, every stamp on my page, another drop in the wave, silver star.
All right, those on X, I just put out the tweet. on the peace deal that supposedly just got signed. Go check it out. Go retweet it. Go heart it. This is big news, guys. We might have an explosive opening here. It might be explosive. It may be explosive. I just tweeted it out, Swag Daddy. Thank you, Swag. I just tweeted it out. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 5 minutes and 25 seconds, breaking it all down. We're going to watch the COMEX open. President Trump just announced a peace deal. Oh my goodness, is silver and gold about to explode? We're going to find out live in just 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Please smash the like button. Please share the stream. This could be historic.
Riches untold. International stacker, here to say
Let's see what the Iranians are saying.
Coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and
It's a rosé beer without Mrs. IS. Does she know that?
One of a kind. Join the crew. Let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance.
Let's go, let's go.
Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International, stack 'em that mill. So hit that slow, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 3 minutes and 10 seconds. I've got so much breaking news coming in right now. I'm posting it for you guys. We're about to be live. It's going to be insane. Smash a like button. Share the stream. This could be a historic night.
That's up, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best. International stacker, stacking strong.
How high is silver going this week? Put it in chat right now. How high do you think we're going this week? Let me see.
Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill.
There is a peace deal, supposedly. There is a peace deal, supposedly. We're going to be live in 2 minutes and 24 seconds.
Oh, shit.
If you're ready, if you're excited, let's get a crab dance. Drop a crab, C-R-A-B, in chat. Not C-R-A-P. I better not see any poop emojis. C-R-A-B. Let's get a crab dance going. We're going to be live here in 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Smash the like, share the stream.
Join the party night and day.
Let's go.
Silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Break it down now.
Gold and silver, who wants it all? Are you ready for the mega gaw?
Who's ready for the mega gaw? If you like free gold and silver, put free in chat right now. Let me see it.
The music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay. Join the party night and day.
Who's ready for the Reckless Metals release? I've got the Rolos. I'm going to show them to you tonight. The Reckless Metals release is coming. I'm going to show it to you tonight. We got a 1 minute warning. 1 minute warning. Smash that like button. Do you guys want the crab migration, old school, or little kid? Let me know right now.
In the sand, shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the shell brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up.
Rick Harrison is here, and Rick Harrison needs soup.
Stacker.
Rick Harrison needs soup. Stat.
Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me. 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 One stacker on a
journey to find silver. International Stacker.
One stacker on a journey
To find
silver.
International Stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name is International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. My voice is almost back 100%. I think a couple more days and we'll be back. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got 69,160 subscribers, 40 more subscribers till the next big show. I know we could do it. We got videos all over the world on gold and silver adventures, and boy, oh boy, are we on a gold and silver adventure today. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got to say it. Buckle up. It's about to be absolutely insane. So remember, silver closed at 68.04 on a green candle. Gold closed at 4,218.56 on a green candle. Gold to silver ratio closed exactly at 62. And thank you so much to Neophyte for those jewels. Gold to silver, in Shanghai, silver, which is going to open back up at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, closed at $75.89. So $75.89 and 68. So we're down to about a $7-8 premium now. We were at 10, but look at this, guys. Big news. Let me update this. Big news. Here it is. Here's the big news here. Trump just posted this. Literally right when we were in the countdown. The deal with the Islamic Republic of Iran is now complete. Congratulations to all. I hereby fully authorize the toll-free opening of the Strait of Hormuz, and simultaneously herewith authorize the immediate removal of the United States naval blockade. Ships of the world, start your engines. Let the oil flow. President Donald J. Trump. Ladies and gentlemen, that just happened. That just went out. And this may be absolutely explosive for gold and silver. And thank you so much for the chili, Real Savage Patriot. Thank you, Littlefoot, for the stars. Thank you, everybody, for all the jewels you're dropping on me. Thank you, Sean Leslie. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see here. Bitcoin is up 800. Oil is down across the board. But we're going to see, the only thing moving right now is Bitcoin. The only thing moving is Bitcoin. We're going to see all this start to move in about 17 and a half minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, silver was in the 90s, about to shoot for 100 again when the whole Iranian war broke out and it took a beating. Gold was surging when the war broke out and it's been taking a beating. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. This may be a historic opening tonight. We may see something massive this evening. We may not. We may not, but I feel like we're going to have some strength tonight. If you think we're going up and we open, that's what I think. We're going up. If you think we're going down, we're going down. And guys, how's my audio? Is the music good? Can you hear it just slightly in the background? Are the vocals good? Let me know. And Daniel Whitley says, big green candle loading. Let's go. Guys, we're going to do this. We're going to do a baby gator prophylactically when we're a little bit closer, but I got more breaking news for you guys here, so I'm going to put it in there. And thank you for all the stars. Thank you for Chris. Thank you for that. Appreciate it. Okay. Audio good, music good. Okay, good. Okay. Please go and make sure to tweet out the post for this stream. Tweet it out and put it out. Okay. So true. Make Gold Great said nobody wants to hear about buying silver until it's too late to buy silver. That is so true. And ladies and gentlemen, more people are going to be in line at $120 an ounce waiting to buy silver than right now. And guys, this might be your last chance. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. Before I went live, I just made a major purchase at Hero Bullion. Remember, Hero Bullion is the sponsor of the channel. Thank you so much, Hero. They've got 5 ounces at spot you could pick up right now, $340. I don't know how much longer you're going to be able to buy silver in the 60s for. I really don't. And if you go to the main page here, they still have a handful of these limited edition silver bars left. Only 1,776 of the silver ones. Copper sold out, 5 and 10. It's only like $1.49 over spot. So I just did a big purchase. The market is going to move in 16 minutes. This may be your last chance to get silver in the 60s for a while. Again, not a financial advisor. Just letting you know. And What's It To You says, just posting continuously for claws. Okay, I love it. What's it to you? I love it. Okay, so let's go and cover some more news here. And this was from Steve Lookner. He's great. He runs Agenda Free TV. I watch him a lot. He put this out 44 minutes ago that the president was imminently about to make that post. Now look at this, guys. The mining sector is the closest thing to owning a money printer, says Luke. E. It has the highest margins of any sector. The second highest of 50% has 50% lowest margins. So look at this. Look at this with the price action in gold and silver. And guys, remember, like the miners are still positioned for much cheaper gold and silver compared to what it is now. So look at this. Highest margins across the sector, the mining industry. I do invest in mining stocks. Now, guys, I say this all the time. I believe a physical gold and silver stack is king. I did not buy a single mining stock until I had like 4,000 ounces of silver. But I do invest. If you guys want to know exactly what I invest in, check in internationalstacker.com. You can go here. You can see the live charts anytime I'm not on. You can come see them on Oneida, gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium. You can look at the market resources. You could look at resources I have for you guys. You can look at the news. You could look at the blog. And by the way, the Hidden Hoard. These two were found. Congratulations to Littlefoot Silver Stacker. I think he's in chat. He found the 5 ounces of silver and copper at the Gold Museum in Dahlonega. Congratulations to Cat Stacker at the Market Square downtown in Knoxville, Tennessee. Found the 5 ounces. We got 5 more July 9 to 11, 5 more July 15 to 20, and 5 more August 25 to 28. So make sure to come to Hidden Hoard. I'm going to keep uploading this and giving you guys more information. Now, oh yeah. I was going to tell you, if you want to know exactly what I invest in, just go to the website, internationalstacker.com, click resources. And every stock you see here are all the mining stocks I am invested in. There's a little thing here to drop more. Most of these are silver. There is 1 or 2 copper plays, and there's also 2 uranium plays. Wow. Woo, look at that. Straight up. Nice. So you can find that and much more information on here, so don't sleep on that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that's a fun post. Let's keep going down. I got more news for you guys. Mark my words, ladies and gentlemen. Trillionaires are about to become normal. Elon Musk is racing toward becoming the world's first trillionaire. And look at this gentleman here. David Bateman, he is a billionaire from Utah. And I've been following him for a while. Look at this post. This was in March of 31st of 2025. He killed it. Here was his post then. Here are the reasons I invested close to $1 billion in precious metals over the past 6 months, including the purchase of 1.5% the annual global silver supply. So he bought 12.69 million ounces. Guys, I wish I could do that. I wish I could do that, don't you? The global monetary system is about to collapse. The biggest credit bubble in history will soon pop, 300 trillion. There's no way the U.S. can refinance its 28 trillion maturing treasuries in the next 4 years. Trump tariffs are hastening the collapse, and it's by design. Gold and silver are the only meaningful life rafts. So I started following him back at the beginning of 2025. But he put out this tweet, and I responded to it. He said, Elon will be a quadrillionaire soon. You might be too. He's saying we all might be So here's my response to that. Mark my words, trillionaires are about to become normal. Elon Musk is racing toward becoming the world's first trillionaire. Meanwhile, billionaires will soon look like small players. Millionaires will fight to keep their houses. The middle class gets obliterated by inflation and currency decline and collapse. This is what happens when governments print endless money and destroy the dollar's purchasing power. The ultra wealthy are positioning themselves accordingly. The only real protection left, physical gold and physical silver. So I do truly believe that. Let's see here. Did we miss the window for $4,000 gold, or will it dip again? I don't know, Silver Serpents. Let's see what we closed at. You might have. That ship might have sailed. I did make a purchase right before I went live. I bought mostly silver, but I also bought a quarter ounce of gold. Hero Bullion has a deal going on right now. If you go to deals, I'll show you what I bought. I bought some of this under spot. I bought this 1/4 ounce random. I'm hoping I get a graded one. And I also bought one of their limited bars, the 5 ouncer. Again, there's only 1,776 of them. So this is important, guys. I want to show you this video here. Let me know if you can't hear it, but this fake gold coin passed an XRF. This is why I've been saying for a long time, XRFs are not king. And a lot of people think XRFs are king. Watch this. Tell me if you can't hear it.
And fake. A real gold coin. Comes in at exactly 1 ounce troy.
Put the fake one on here. This one comes in at exactly 1 ounce Troy. And now we're gonna take this fake one here and we're gonna put it into the XRF here. Can you do that for me?
Yeah, for sure.
Touch your machine here.
Into the XRF. Underneath we go. And it's coming up 999 gold.
So that's actually fake. And it's coming out as 999 gold.
Look at that, it's fake.
The reason it's able to do that is because it has a thick foil. It's not a plate, it's actually thick foil of gold wrapped around that thing. So it looks pretty good and it's on weight.
This is why I've been saying for a long time, you've got to get a pocket pinger, guys. You got an XRF is not good enough. It's either got to be a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro or a pocket pinger. Pocket pinger's $38. You find the link in the description below and it helps the channel. Sigma's like going to be like thousands, but this XRFs you cannot trust. They only go a couple of microns into the metal. I've been beating the drum on that for the longest time, and I'm going to keep beating the drum on that. And a lot of shops out there, pawn shops, LCSs, only will XRF stuff. Totally dangerous, totally disgusting. And yes, I am back. And thank you, Toxic Boyfriend says, Iranian TV confirms the agreement. Thank you for that. Tag me on X. Okay, Portrait 1 tags me on X. Okay, we'll check that in 1 second, Portrait. Peace deal or escalation, sound off below. That was an hour ago. Well, I guess it was peace deal. Let's see who got it right. Whoops. Here. Let's see who got it right. It's open again. I say deal. Daniel Whitley, you got it. You win 10,000 years of good luck.
It's science.
Okay, gold to 20,000. What do you think? Wild bet or does somebody know someone? So this is NBA economics. Critics claim the gold revaluation is impossible in this day and age. Well, insiders are steadily building positions, betting that the price of gold will exceed $20,000 per ounce by December 2026. This single point, the FAR OTM gold call options, gives me the most confidence that gold revaluation thesis is correct. Independence Day, here we come. So look at these guys. The strikes on $20,000 gold, $15,000 to $20,000, keep increasing. Are these wild bets? Or are these insiders that know something? Okay, let's see what you guys are saying real quick. Okay, here's next exit here. Look. So next exit says the soup kitchen needs to open. We got Rick Harrison here. If you guys need soup, put I need soup in chat. Thank you, Don, for putting it out. Thank you, Oli Stacker, for putting it out. Thank you, Future Motive, saying stack it high like it's 1999. Totally agree. Shared says Chris. Thank you. Explosive says Future. Thank you. I got you says Tony. What is this? What is... Okay, hold up. Hold up. What is this?
Oh my God, IS, what are you doing on the beaches of Lebanon drinking Almaza Rosé beer
Oh.
without Mrs. IS? Does she know that?
Oh my goodness. My Portrait 1 lives in Lebanon in Arabic. And he just caught the king crab on the beaches of Beirut, sipping some, what kind of beer is this? Almaza. Without Mrs. I. It ain't true. I'm with Mrs. IS right now. She knows it. Thank you, my Portrait, though, for that. That is funny. I got to put that out. Hold up. I've been caught. Hold up. Don't go anywhere. Smash the like button, by the way, guys. We're only about 25 away from 250. I know we can certainly hit that. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. Put that out. Okay, we're caught up there. I'm going to go back here to the news. I got like 2 more pieces of news to cover. I've also got the Rolos from Reckless Metals that I want to show you guys. Okay. Small nation, smart move. National Bank of Georgia, not the state, the country, bought $100 million in physical gold. Even a relatively small country is quietly stacking while prices are soft. Gold now makes up 15.5% of the reserves. Total reserves hit an all-new high, $7 billion. Wow. Also, too, Goldman Sachs just 10x'd its copper deficit forecast from 60,000 ounces to 604 or tons, from 60,000 tons to 640,000 tons. That is their new production. This is happening right now in an already short market. Copper, silver, gold, all running the same supply deficit playbook while industrial demand, AI, EV, solar power explodes, which that's going to dramatically affect gold and silver. Or I'm sorry, copper and silver. Silver is a major byproduct of copper mining. And remember, we have major shortages in sulfuric acid and all kinds of other things because of the Strait of Hormuz closure. And even though the Strait of Hormuz is opening right now, let's see if we could see something. Even though the Strait of Hormuz is supposedly opening now, per the president, it's still going to take probably over a year for everything that got affected to come back. Okay, we're going to keep an eye on this and see if we just start to see ships pouring through the Strait of Hormuz there. If you're just joining us, a deal was reached. Now, silver back to $75 an ounce by the end of this week. What do you guys think? Here's what Rashad said 14 hours ago. Would like to see a silver minimum at 75 by the end of next week, provided that this inverse head and shoulder patterns plays out. Look at this. Left shoulder, right shoulder, head. What do you guys think? Is that going to be an inverse head and shoulders? And if so, do you think we break 75 by the end of the week? 80? 85? What do you think? Put it in chat right now. And the last piece of news before I go back to the charts here. Sulfur is abundant or not? It might be abundant, 22 drifter, but a large proportion of sulfur and the other building blocks for sulfuric acid come out of the Middle East. And that's all been like smashed. Like 30 to 40% of it comes out of the Strait of Hormuz area. So it doesn't have to be cut off completely to cause a major shortage. The Trump Organization and the USC launched Freedom 250 gold and silver coins. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is happening tonight, I think, the UFC fight. If anyone's watching it on the side, keep us updated what happens. But they have commemorative gold and silver coins they're selling. The 1 ounce gold price is $12,000. Is that a hint, guys? Is that what gold's going to be revalued to? I don't know, but there's the article there if you want to go read more about that. Okay. Now, before we go, before the charts open here, guys, keep smashing that like button. You guys have demanded it. It's finally time. Sorry. The Rolo, this project, we've been working on this for months. We finally got there. These are 1 ounce high relief Rolos. I'm about to show them to you. It's the first time Reckless Metals has ever done 1 ounce high relief. Now, here's the situation. I want to try to get closer. There's going to be 500 of these minted. There's the front. They come in the capsules. There's the back. And they will be numbered on the side. Now, of the 500 of these that are minted, there are 50. So of the 500, there are only 50 of the special battle crab variant. He's actually wearing armor. I'm going to show it to you guys on the coin scope. 1 second here. So this is the variant without the armor. Okay. And here's the variant with, so there's 500 total, but 50 of them are randomly going to be the battle crab with armor edition. Okay. These are going to go live for everybody this Saturday on Reckless Metals on his live stream. However, if you are a channel member, all channel members, no matter what level, you're going to get first crack at it Thursday morning. I'm going to put out a channel member only post, and there's going to be a special link in there for channel members. First come, first serve. It's a limit of 2 per person. And you're going to have from Thursday all the way till Saturday to lock it in. Then Saturday evening, he's going to sell it on his website, and it's probably going to sell out because he's going to do it on his website and his live stream. I will also be on his live stream. So it's probably going to sell out quick. And again, 500 total mintage, 50 only randomly are going to be the Battle Crab edition. And it's the luck of the draw. You're not guaranteed it. So stay tuned for that. And I got to switch over here to Pyth. So guys, warn me when to switch back to Oneida. So here's Pyth. Okay. Yeah, when it's time to go back to Oneida, please let me know. What do you guys think? Who's going to pick up one? Who's going to pick up one of these battle crabs? They came out so good. And again, it's the first time he's ever done a high relief 1 ounce Rolo. My little camera doesn't do it justice. And even the back design's pretty dang cool. Super sick. Okay, let me end the poll. I started this poll before. We have 318 votes. So of the poll, 39% of you check the website every day. Not only do I have price charts and all that, I have breaking news I put on there. I put blogs, all kinds of things. 23% of you check it once a week. 13% of you check it every other day. And 25% of you didn't know there's a website. Check it out if you have it, internationalstacker.com. And we are open. We opened, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Looked like we had a little baby gap down, but we're immediately to a green candle. Some scientists say this works 90% of the time, every time to turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. Let's do it, ladies and gentlemen. You taught it to me in Boca Raton, Florida.
How to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
It was massive, and let's see if we could turn this green candle to a BGC. We're at $68.01 silver. Look at this big green candle, BGC on gold, 4,231, guys. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here.
Science.
You guys, we did just fill an immediate gap, so we filled the gap. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh, look at it. Guys, it's exploding. The baby gator worked.
It's science.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We just won a whole dollar. 69.11. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Oh my goodness. Let's look at gold. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, we filled the gap. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, look at this BGC. Oh my goodness. My voice is coming back. Hopefully tomorrow I have it all the way. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. We just went all the way to 69.21. Guys, I'm already up big on that. I did that order. I'm already up big on that order. Wow. Steed Stacker, member for over a month, saying, let's go. Hey, I love your crab image on your profile. Thank you. Wow. Guys, I just picked up gold and silver before I went live. Wow. 4,276. Oh, my goodness. Back over 69. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this, guys. We are pushing higher here, ladies and gentlemen. Will we level off late this evening, then drop a little before opening and climb again tomorrow? That's Rick Harrison's predictions. Maybe, maybe not. You're a real silver in air. Keep calm and stack on, says Future. Guys, you want to hear something fun? I'm going to be with Rat Stacker and Mrs. IS at Disney World over the next couple days. Don't panic. I'm still going to do my morning and evening live streams. I'm bringing my computer with me to the hotel after this live stream. You guys are not going to notice anything. But if you're going to be at Disney World over the next couple days, email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. We can meet up in the park if we're in the same park on the same day, and you can score yourself a crab coin. I will be wearing my International Stacker hat. And Keith Peavy House bought 5 maple leaves from Hero Bullion right before the market opened. Good job, Keith. Yeah, Fingers, I'm bringing this mic. I'm not playing. I'm bringing this mic. So smash the like button if you're excited, guys. We're only 1 like away from 300. I know we could do that. The first person to hit that is going to get good luck for 14 years.
It's science.
And we got a massive candle here forming 69.40. I said before we went live, this might be historic. And ladies and gentlemen, these are massive BGCs, big green candles on gold and silver. In just a few minutes here, we'll switch back to Oneida. I don't think, is it open? Let's see if Oneida's open. Not quite yet. We got to do another minute or two for Oneida. Wow. Thank you, Michelle, for becoming a Crab Cadet. Thank you for becoming a member. You are mega. It's going to be brutal at Disney this week, bro, says Jim. I know it's going to be hot, but I'm built for it. Just bought 10 ounces at spot 30 seconds before it opened. Good job, Jerry. Guys, can we clap for Jerry? Jerry got 10 ounces of spot 30% seconds right before market open. Good job. Someone wants to see the 1 minute candles. Look at the 1 minute candles. That's crazy. Wow. I prefer 5 minute, but 1 minute is crazy. 69.44. Let's go back to Oneida here. Okay. Oneida's live and it's a major gap up. Oh my. Can you guys hear the music? But I hear music in chat if you guys can hear it. Major gap up. We're trading at 69. We're about to break 70, guys. This blue line here is 70. We're about to break 70. Mark my words. Let's go back to Oneida here. Wow. There we go. Okay, you guys can hear the music. Good. It's not too loud, is it? Thank you, Chris, for the jewels. And thank you guys for all the super chats. Thank you for becoming members. Thank you, Joshua, there, for being a member for over 1 month. Crustacean Commander Slacker just in a gift basket. Thank you, guys. This is my full-time job. So every time you super chat, every time you donate, you give jewels, you gift memberships, you get somebody soup. It helps the channel so much. So I really want to say thank you and I appreciate you. I appreciate all the Diamond Claw members on the stream. All channel members, I appreciate you, but a special shout out to all the Diamond Claw members. And the question for everyone in chat right now, who in chat right now has Diamond Claws? Who's got it? Let me know right now. Who's got them?
Diamond Claws.
And ladies and gentlemen, we got over 1,000 people on the stream as silver is raging higher at 69.65. We're imminently about to break 70 again. Look at that. Will Land, thank you for being a member for over 2 months. You are mega. And Cicero here is yelling for soup. Cicero needs soup. And guys, we got 1,000 people on the stream and 360 likes. Let's get 40 more likes, get us to 400. I know we can do it.
Science.
Okay. We're about to break 70, guys. Mark my words. Partial fill on gold. Thank you, Hilo, for gifting a membership. And that went to Blaken. Congratulations, Blaken. Sorry, no soup for Rick Harrison. Blanken, check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I'll see you in the next channel member only live stream I do here on YouTube. I usually do 2 a week. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. And hopefully I have my voice back soon. You guys, I did pick up something epic. Well, I want to show you 2 things. As we're pushing, I'm just gonna go off the chart for 1 second here. 1 second. On the recent trip, when I was in Dahlonega, I went gold mining. Come on. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. I went gold mining and found these 2 pickers. And in Dahlonega, the gold is 23K. It's some of the highest carat gold in the world. So I found these 2 little pickers in Dahlonega. I got it on video. So you guys are going to be able to see the video as we are just a handful of cents away from 70 here. Wow. And Kyle just gifted 5 memberships. Thank you so much. That went to Radic. It went to Minnesota. It went to Trimsy. It went to SGM. It went to that Salada something. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. It didn't go to Rick Harrison, who is the new John. I'm so sorry. No soup for Rick.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Yes. And we got West Texas saying that's some real Georgia gold. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. 510 here. Thank you for becoming a channel member. You are now a crab cadet. Daniel Whitley, thank you for the super chat saying if Warsh cuts rates, this is going to be a mega rally. Yeah, and he's going to cut rates. Mark my words, he's going to cut rates. So not only did I find this gold in Dahlonega, I got it all on video, but I also found this gold. Come on. Look at that. I used a gold cube. So that's my that was my gold haul. Pretty sweet. Let me do this. I'm trying to put on some better. This is too slow for me. There we go. That's a better song. Thank you so much to High Low Stacker gifting a membership. And that went to Stacking Metal. Congratulations, Stacking Metal. Make sure you say thank you to High Low. Check out your new emojis. Guys, we are just 16 cents away from 70. Wow. If you bought the dip and you're ecstatic right now, you bought the dip, put dip in chat. Let me see how many of you did. I did. Just before I went live, I did a decent purchase. Over 1,000 people on the stream, guys, and we're only 80 likes away from 500. So please keep smashing the like button. The next 80 people to do it are going to get good luck for 17 years.
It's science.
Yes. We are pushing here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's check on gold. Gold's just kind of doing its thing. So gold to silver ratio is probably plummeting. Yeah, look at this. Gold to silver ratio is plummeting. 61.72 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. And remember, Shanghai Futures Exchange here opens at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's like 2 hours and 49 minutes from now. Let's make sure you guys aren't saying anything to me on X, formerly known as Twitter. Thank you, Variable, for putting it out. Anyone can make a bet, says Bubba. Okay, we caught up there. There was a few more pieces of news I wanted to show you. And for everyone that does not know what's happening, a president just put out this Truth Social right before I went live, saying that the deal is on, the Strait of Hormuz is fully opened, the naval blockade is done. So that's what we're seeing right now. Is it actually going to hold? Are we going to wake up tomorrow, guys, and it's a 180? What do you guys think? So look at this. Silver, when paper shorts finally meet physical truth, Zero Hedge absolutely nails it. The disconnect between massive paper short positions and tightening physical supply is reaching a breaking point. While the COMEX paper games continue, real silver is getting harder to find as industrial demand soars. Here's the full article there by Zero Hedge. And I also wanted to highlight this. Thank you, Humble Stacker, for becoming a channel member. Thank you. Winterize, the pre-still is announced. They're going to sign it later this week in Switzerland. I wanted to highlight one more Zero Hedge article. Silver and gold miners window is closing fast. Time for the crowd to notice. Zero Hedge highlights critical moment for precious metal sector. Smart money has been quietly accumulating gold and silver miners while the broader market remains distracted. The window and opportunity is rapidly closing as metals bull market accelerates. So there's the article there if you want to go read more about that. And guys, we're imminently about to break 70 here. Winterize is yelling for soup. Winterize wants soup. And thank you, Steed Stacker, for gifting those 5 memberships. Those went to Maria. It went to Pure Blood. It went to David, Hugo, and Invisible. Congratulations. Say thank you to Steed Stacker. And I hate to say it, no soup for Rick Harrison.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Ah.
Oh, someone is using a soup ladle. Well, guys, for those who don't know, there's a new bounty, just like for when John got soup. So far, the person that gets Rick Harrison a membership gets soup. This is just a side quest bonus for them. You're going to get the Gold Odin bar from Germanium Mint. It's a brand new release. Pretty freaking sick. Look at that Odin. You're going to get that for free. You're going to get this. It's silver color, but it's not silver, but someone sent it to me because it's international silver and it's actually stamped IS on there. So you're going to get the soup ladle. And you're going to get the, oh, get out of there. And you're going to get the Germanium Mint. This copper round. Look at that. Beautiful. So that is the bounty so far for the next person who gets Rick Harrison soup, but that's going to keep growing. Just like last time, the bounty will keep growing. Hey, and there's Soup. John in chat saying, still love my song. Tank in chat says, but John got soup. Yeah, I got to update that. I'm going to update it from John to Rick Harrison. Rick Harrison has been chosen by the channel members as the next John that needs soup. Kyle here says it may be too late to dump I want the dump truck emoji, says Kyle. But John did get soup. Hilo, thank you for gifting another membership. That went to Johnny. Johnny Guapo, congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Thank you so much, Hilo. Thank you. Here's Johnny for the hand clap. Okay. Yeah. I do think, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. I think silver will continue its uptrend from here. I think gold will continue its uptrend from here, except if the peace deal collapses or something crazy happens or whatever, I think we will see more downward pressure. But if this carries through and this gets signed, I think we'll see continue upward pressure on gold and silver. And if Warsh cuts rates, I think that's also going to be pretty explosive for gold and silver as well. So let's see. We'll see if we could get through these two catalysts. So look at this, guys. The DXY is down. Let's check out the DXY. This is look at this big gap down on the dollar index. Wow. Big gap down. Oil across the board gap down. Look at that. Look at these massive gaps. Wow. Now, I'm not going to go too long tonight, guys, because I want to have a voice for you guys in the morning. So I'm going to keep going a little bit, but I don't want to go too long because I want to have a voice for you guys in the morning. I will be live at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 22 Drifter, you should have the emojis. Just when you click on the emojis, it should be right at the very top. So for channel members trying to find the emojis, if you click here, it should show them at the very top of your emojis. All these. Okay? If you got a question for me, make sure you tag me at International Stacker so I see it. Otherwise, I won't see it. And guys, AR Montero needs soup. Screaming for soup and check. Thank you, Littlefoot, guys. Guys, we are 480 likes. Thank you. Or 82. We're only 18 likes away from 500. I know we can do it. Keep smashing it. If we hit 500 likes, I'm going to show you what I picked up from Germania Mint. If we do that, I'm going to show it to you.
It's science.
And thank you, Billy Bob, for joining the Shell Brigade. You are mega, sir. And guys, I've got live breaking news. I've got a live feed right now from the COMEX. I'm piping it in. And guys, right now the UFC fight is going on at the White House. I have a live feed of that UFC fight right now. Live. Thank you, Jolly Lollipop. I will, certainly. Thank you. Let's see if the straight's flowing. Let's see. Refresh map. Yeah, look at this is an American vessel. This is an American sailing vessel, the Jersey Devil. This is another American pleasure craft. What's a pleasure craft, guys? That sounds illegal. What in the world happens on a pleasure craft? We do see ships moving around in there. As we're about to break 70. Okay, if you guys don't understand the soup for John or any of the memes here, just go to my website, internationalstacker.com. Like, it's got great information for you guys. It's got all kinds of resources. You could check the silver, gold, copper, platinum, palladium prices anytime, day or night. But if you go here to channel lore, this explains, the lore on this channel is deep, I'll tell you that much. This explains all the lore. Mrs. IS, Daisy the Camel, the Crustacean Nation, this little guy. It's all explained here at the very bottom, no soup for John. And if you could click it, you can clearly see that John got his soup just 23 days ago. How does it feel, John? Okay, we broke 70. We just broke $70 an ounce on silver. Look at that. 70.10. Gold is so that means the dollar gold silver ratio is plummeting. We're down to 61.62 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. Ladies and gentlemen, Boys and girls, I need you to buckle up right now. Thank you, Chris. I'll track it down. Maybe you didn't put the P.O. box number on there, but I'll track it down. Can you explain? Yeah, I did that. Diesel going down 4 Rand, petrol 2 Rand in South Africa. Thank you, Winterize. Bond yields are rocketing, keeping silver prices suppressed, says AGN. I just doubled my 5-ounce 1776 bars and let the review stating I got the first one from you, sir. Oh, wow. Guys, Littlefoot Silver Stacker, who literally won one of these. And he's the first ever Hidden Hoard winner. He won one of these, but he won the 5-ounce version. He just bought another one, so now he's got 10 ounces. That is mega. Thank you, little foot. No one's answered my question. What happens on the pleasure craft? Guys, what happens on the pleasure craft? Oh, my goodness. Thank you, Hilo, for gifting another membership, and that went to Colleen. Congratulations, Colleen. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Did we get to 5? We got to 500. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up here real quick. Oh, and thank you. Thank you, Mike Mallon, for upgrading to Shell Brigade. Thank you. Guys, I'm going to show you. Here's my pickup from Germania Mint. I love their stuff. There's only 1,000 of these, I think. Look at this guy. Look at that. The Golden Eagle fighting the Silver Snake. So I think that's pretty cool. What do you guys think? And also, they sent me this. They saw all the runes back there. I think there's only 500 of these, but look, it has each of the runes on there. Those back there. So it has each of the runes. This is a 2-ouncer. Yeah, what did you guys pick up this week? I did a big bullion pickup right before I went live on Hero Bullion. Got 90%. Got an American Gold Eagle, a quarter ounce, and the 250. Guys, if you want one of these bars, they're gonna be gone, and they're only $1.49 over spot. These guys, they commemorate America's 250th birthday. 1,776 each. The 5-ounce, 10-ounce. So I picked up another 5-ouncer here. Guys, we are pushing higher here. 70.25. Hey, Dave. Good to see you guys. Dave has been a member for 8 months. Thank you so much. Chast is saying, can we get a pleasure craft emote? What would it look like? I don't know what that would look like. Picked up 2 of the 20 pesos. Good job, Jeff Stout. Finger says, I just bought 10-ounce 1776 prior to open, so now I've got all 3 and some gold. Good pickup, Fingers. Fingers, you did that before open. That means you're already up like $2. Yeah, you're already up $2 per ounce on that purchase. That's epic. Hey, Kalilo's in chat. Let's see that 10-ounce Germania Mint bar. Oh, the Loki. Okay. Let me get it. Guys, if you like music and silver, check out Kalilo. He's got a silver and gold radio show he does. And he plays silver and gold music. Here's the 10-ounce Loki. This was a collab between the Royal British Mint and Germania Mint. Pretty sick. I like the Norse mythology. I like it. I do. Dale saying, do you think oil will be cheaper than before the conflict started? Like Trump? Maybe. Maybe, Daniel. Depends how much it opens up, but maybe. I don't remember what we were sitting at before. Does anyone remember the price of Brent or U.S. oil before the whole war broke out? I do not recall. I'd have to look that up. It's been so long. It's only been 3 months, but it's like forever in gold and silver world. Wow, guys. Egbert Boot Whistle picked up 20 1/10 ounce Britannias from Hero. Good pickup. Shotgun City says, Stacking Surfer. Howdy, International. Oh, Stacking Surfer's here. Good to see you. Stacking Surfer, I got to have you on the channel again. SGT saying, I picked up the Error Hero bar from eBay. It's stamped as a 5-ounce, but only... No way, SGT. Really? Send me pictures of that. Wow, that's sick. Who did you buy it from? Did Hero sell it or did someone else find it? Sean Leslie says UFC 250 starts at about 8. You should go until then. Elder Joshua Hetrick gifted a membership. Thank you so much. That went to Mike Stevenson. No, I'm sorry. That went to Robot Toaster. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Say thank you to Elder Joshua Hetrick. Fingers here said, I locked the cart prior to open and watched the market open, and then I jumped on the buy button. Good job, Fingers. A 3.5 gold gram Lord of the Rings coin caught my eye, says Mike Stevenson. Epic. Hey guys, there's Silver Catwoman. Oh, I lost it. Where is it? Silver Catwoman says all boats not used for business are called pleasure crafts. Laugh out loud. I don't know. If someone told me you want to take a ride on my pleasure craft, I'd be like, what exactly is happening on that craft? Guys, we're only 53 likes away from 600. I know we could do it. The next 53 people to smash it, the God Goblin's going to visit you in your dreams in the next 3 weeks.
It's science.
Do you collect numismatics? Not too much, Michael. Here and there, but not too much. I'm mostly a physical silver stacker. Can we vote for you somewhere, IS? I don't know. I don't think so, Dutch Murphy, unless you know something I don't. But you could just drop crabs in the chat anywhere you go, and that's pretty much a vote. So thank you. Well, guys, Soup John just gifted a membership, and that went to Chris. Chris Salsa, congratulations. Say thank you to Soup John. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Silver Slugger Collectibles saying, looking at a 5-gram gold bar, what's your suggestion for brand? Silver Slugger, my suggestion is get the best deal. Get the best deal. Now, if you have options like Scottsdale is great, if you get any like stuff like Johnson Matthey or so, that would be epic. It just depends. I would say let the deals dictate your buys. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the narrow crabs. But if you go to my website and click on resources, internationalstacker.com, and you go my 5 big stacking mistakes, guys, please watch that and learn from me. But that one right there is important. My 5 big stacking mistakes. That kind of spells out my strategy. And guys, I hate to say it, but look at this. Is that looking like a shark's fin? I don't know. Let's see what happens here. Thank you, High Low, for gifting that membership. Congratulations, J-Man. Make sure you say thank you to High Low. And guys, Chris Simic coming in hot with 5 memberships. It went to Krasy Cooter. Krasy Cooter. It went to Soak. It went to Katie. It went to HTR. Congratulations. Oh, and America First. Awesome. Congratulations. Say thank you to Chris Simic. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I hate to say it, no soup for Rick.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
And no soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Okay, thank you, Soup Dragon. Cool name, guys. Look at Soup Dragon. Saying Brent closed at 73.68 on February 27th. Thank you for that. So it was in the low 70s. I mean, we're going to be back there again quick if things continue the way they are. Poor Rick, guys, needs soup. No soup for Rick. Oh, I did want to show you here. The repo markets had little activities, but like not a lot. 100 million there. Like 100 million there. Wait. Ish. 300 million there. I'm only cover it usually if it's billions. See if there's any more Trump True Socials. Oh, look, a brand new tweet. This great deal will bring peace and security to the whole region. Many presidents have tried to make peace with Iran and have all failed before me. The leaders of the region have, for the first time, found a president who can help them achieve real peace. With the opening of the Strait upon the signing of the deal on Friday, for purposes of mine removal, oil will flow on both. Okay. So this seems like it's a little bit different. Oh, wow. Hold up. We got hold up. Okay. So on Friday, they're going to sign the peace deal in Switzerland. Until then, the strait will remain closed because they're going to demine it. Okay. Mine removal. Okay. We'll see what happens, guys. Now, here's the situation. I'm going to jump in the car with Rat Stacker and Mrs. IS, and I'm going to head to Orlando. We're going to be in Disney World over the next few days, but I'm going to be streaming every morning and evening, so don't panic. I'm bringing my whole streaming setup with me. We're going to be good. So I will be live at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but why don't we do a quick crab raid on another gold and silver... Whoops. On another gold and silver creator, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see who we got. Steve looking for silver. Look, IS is live. Okay, who do you guys want to do? Steve looking for silver? Do you want to do salivate and metal? Let me know right now. Smash the like button too. Let's see. Let's go here. The smallest creator would be Steve looking for silver. You guys want to do Steve? A lot of people want to do Uncle Sal. Why don't we get Uncle Sal? Why don't we pump up Uncle Sal? That'd be fun. We're gonna go in there, we're gonna drop crabs and have a good time. 1 second here. So yeah, we'll be live at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And guys, tomorrow morning the opening is going to tell us a lot. I will do the whole open with you, and then I'll be going to the park. So guys, we're going to go right now and raid Salivate and Metal. Thank you so much for tuning in. Smash the like button when we go there. Drop the crabs in the chat. Make sure to smash that like in that stream. Thank you so much for all the donations. This is my full-time job. I appreciate you all. CYOTNO. Catch you in the next one. I'll see you in the morning. Hopefully my voice is better, not worse.